Alright, so first chart we're going to look at here is Micron Technologies. Opened up nice at 1080, pulled all the way back to 1060. Now we're right back up towards the highs of the day. Just showing that some buyers are coming in and they like it at this level. I always figured that Micron didn't have much bad news in it, but it did sell off over $1 after the earnings, which was kind of a joke. But I expect this one start to trending upwards very soon. Remember, the Nasdaq has a lot of weight, has a lot of what am I trying to say? It has to catch up to the Dow and the S&P here, which are both making new highs. So we have about 2,000 points at least on the Nasdaq to catch up. So these tech stocks are going to move up. They got to move up. They're going to move up. I mean, these things, technology, I've been saying this. Every so often you get a little pullback in the market, but overall these tech stocks are looking good. So I'm just liking Intel, I'm liking Micron here. Intel, I'd like to see that thing break above 26 again to really show me some bullishness. But Bank of America right now making new highs. Kramer came out yesterday on the 3:30 hour and said this one's going to 62. I kind of have to agree with him, but I'll lower it down to $60 on my price target. So I have 70 shares of that going into this. Citigroup looking good today. Microsoft, any day now, Microsoft, we're just waiting on you. Any day. We need to get above that $29.90 to make that run to $30. Marvell, bought a little of Marvell today. And these are just all intraday charts I'm showing you. I'm showing you those setups. I like Marvell here. Like how it's rounding out here. I like to see it come back up and retest this 1685. That would put in a nice candle in and would show me that this thing does have strength down at this area, 1660. So you could get a position here. If you didn't get a position earlier, set your low at the low of the day, so you only have a 10-cent pretty much stop loss at it. So if you got 100 shares, you're only losing $10 if we make newer lows, which would show some weakness on this one, which is pretty good play. And then you also, if you're not, and it does look like it's starting to round out here and heading higher, then you're already in the money good, and you might have caught a bottom on a stock that can move 5-6 points in the next couple months. So it's an interesting play there. NYMEX, NMX, NMX. Just hanging here right at the highs, 134.50. We need to break through that. I don't know if we're going to do that by itself. By itself, we're going to need some kind of rumor to come out. It's Friday. I don't know. We're going to see. If rumors are out that this thing might be might be a deal being made, they might want to push this, saying maybe over the weekend a deal might be made, and they might run this one up to 140 today. Who knows? That's a what if scenario there. And one more stock, a little update. I expect Apple to be breaking out sometime today. Sometime I would like to see this Apple break through 160. Got to do it sooner or later, So just biding our time on Apple. We holding our 90 shares. I want to add to it. I really want to see that volume start to come in on Apple. Some people start talking about this and them to push this one past 160 on the way to 175. All right, that's it for now. It's going out at 10:30. This update, and we'll get back to you.